Okay, so people have been asking me, sending me emails, what's the difference between these filters? The original Electrical Air 5 Seasons, which is the MERV 11, which is the M1-1056. This is the original filter made by 5 Seasons. As you can see, if you look across here, you can see all these pleats. Now, there's a total here of 24 pleats in total. This material is made in Denmark. And you've got the full line of pleats. This is the real one. This is how you can tell. These are the ones that we sell. We only sell the original here. Make that out. And there's the sizing. Okay, so that's the M1-1056. And that's our part number there, M11-M1. Okay. Now here's the knockoff. A lot of these guys out there on the web are selling. Now if you look at this unit, you can see the pleats here. Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 pleats. Almost half of what the original filter is. That means you're only getting half of the airflow. And you're only getting half of the filtration. So this filter is going to plug up sooner than it should. The original filter, this one here, by 5 Seasons, has 24 pleats. Again, this material is made in Denmark. This is a very, very high quality and high capacity filter. Buy only original. Thank you.